All right, welcome everyone to our Blue and White Assembly. This morning we're excited to announce our Class Spirit Award winners as well as our winning team. But before we begin, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of Field Day and what it truly represents. Field Day is more than just a competition. It's about coming together to celebrate the Norwood community. It's a time when we show our school spirit, demonstrate good sportsmanship, and most importantly, have fun together. Throughout the day, we saw students encouraging one another, cheering their classmates, and giving their best effort in every event. These moments of teamwork, respect, positivity are what makes Field Day so special for all of us. We're proud of the students for showing enthusiasm, perseverance, and kindness, whether they won an event or supported a teammate, or simply gave their best effort. Each of you helped make this day a success. We have a couple people we want to thank that made this day possible for everyone. First, we want to thank our teachers and staff for running the events, so let's give them a round of applause. We want to thank the parent volunteers that were at the snack table, giving you all the delicious food and drinks throughout the day. And last, we want to thank our students, everyone out there, for giving their best effort throughout the day. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Betancourt to announce our Class Spirit Award winners.
Okay, last Friday was overflowing with energy, teamwork, and school spirit. As a PE teacher, nothing is more rewarding than watching the students give their all, not only in their attempt at winning an event, but in the encouragement, sportsmanship, and respect they show one another along the way. Because of the heart of Field Day, it is more than just competition, it's about character. It's about lifting each other up, showing respect, and having fun. It's about cheering for your classmates, whether you're winning or not, and keeping a positive attitude no matter the outcome. The Sportsmanship and Enthusiasm Award was created for this reason. It honors the great that consistently showed the strongest spirit, support for one another, and a positive, respectful attitude throughout the day. Each class received scores for sportsmanship and enthusiasm in every event, up to 30 scores in total, each one worth a maximum of 5 points. We averaged those scores to find a class in both lower and middle school who truly embodied the spirit of Field Day. This year's lower school Class Spirit Award goes to the 4th grade. Okay, and this year's middle school Class Spirit Award goes to the 6th grade. Congratulations, 4th grades. Now I'm going to turn over to Mr. Anderson.
Good morning, everyone. The first official Field Day event was the Manna Food Drive. The Manna Food Center is a food bank dedicated to ending hunger through food distribution and education. While Field Day is a spirited competition between the blue and white teams, it also serves as a reminder that helping our community is a core value here at Norwood. This year for Manna Monday, the teams brought in a combined total of 2,142 items. With the white team, we can clap for that. With the white team having 1,097 items and the blue team having 1,045 items. So thank you. We would like to extend a huge thank you to Ms. Gill and Mr. Haynes for capturing all the wonderful Field Day moments. Thank you to the tech team for their support. The outdoor music was a major hit once again. Now let's all sit back, relax, and enjoy the Field Day slideshow.
You guys ready to find out who won field day? Okay, so we're going to talk about the scoring system first. So at each event, okay, if your team won, okay, then you received 3 points, right? And then at each event, you also got sportsmanship points. This year was extremely close, so the sportsmanship points made all the difference. All right, this year we're going to reveal the winning team in epic fashion with a burst of colored smoke. All right? Now, in order for us to do this, I would like to invite Mr. Gould up to help us with the big reveal. To help Mr. Gould with the big reveal, we have a very special guest. Let's introduce our Blue Hog. Inside that bucket is a smoke cannon. Mr. Gould is going to take that smoke cannon, and when he releases it, the color of the smoke will be the winning team for field day. But I don't know if the Blue Hawk wants to give the cannon yet. Here we go.